Satnam, Mandeep here from the Kundalini Sanctuary. I want to share with you my perspective of what I mean by just be you. You probably hear me say this quite often. What does that mean? It means that I am connecting to my authenticity, to my sense of my divinity, to my authentic self of my identity. In order to do that, I need to clear a lot of way of old programs, old belief systems, etc. When I say old, it means that they're not serving me anymore. And so I'm replacing those and upgrading those with new concepts, which are coming in quite powerfully. And primarily the vehicle that provides that for me is my meditation practice through this Kundalini technology. So I want to touch a little bit on the guru and the student, the guru and the student. So guru, the word guru means out of the darkness into the light. And in this age of Aquarius, you are the guru. Just be you. You are you. And what that is implying and what that is reminding us and teaching us about is that you contain your sense of being the teacher, of self-mastery in that respect. It's also very important for you simultaneously to recognize that you are forever a student. You are always evolving, you are always transforming, you are always creating an opportunity for you to transmit and transmute this new information, this new experience, and it's all experiential, into being a different and a more upgraded, in a sense, concept of you as your guru. So it's no longer about following anyone or putting someone up on a pedestal or having this sense of this godlike figure outside of you. Nope, it's all within you. If you recognize that you are your own guru and you are also a lifelong student, then you are on the path of authenticity and just be you. Satnam.